Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this quick video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Webull Pay to your bank account. So first thing you need to do is just log in your Webull Pay account, and then you have to locate and then tap on crypto icon. So just open up your Webull app and then you will see this crypto icon at the bottom. So simply click on that. After this, you have to select the option withdraw to your bank. So you have to click on this option withdraw to your bank, and once you click on that, you this will take you to another screen where you have to input your amount which you like to withdraw. So minimum is $1. So you have to make sure that you entered one or more than that. After this, click on next, then click on confirm, and you have to verify with your trading password, or you can also utilize your face ID or fingerprint. And once you do that, your money will be transferred from your Webull Pay account to your bank account. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.